as I said, these ones are just to show you how to put them into your calculator. So I'll bring up my calculator there. First one says tan 60 degrees. Now when you're doing these, you do not have to put the degree symbol in. The only time you have to hit that button, the degrees, minutes, second button, is if you're adding minutes and seconds, which we do in part D. But just to start off with, we will go tan. So you've got your buttons cross, sine, cosine, tan. Okay, so tan 60. Now you'll notice it automatically puts in an open bracket. I recommend that you get in the habit of closing the bracket every time. Just because later on, when you're doing questions that are going to involve you doing two things, then it's better if you remember to close it each time, because that way you're not going to get calculator errors. Okay? But that's it, tan 60, press equals, and that's your answer. And that is literally your answer. Okay? Don't worry about what the answers are at the moment, because we're not really telling you what these all mean. Okay? It's just showing you how to put them into how to put them into the calculator. So 1.73 blah 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 blah. Oh, okay, 3 decimal places. Sorry, thank you, Kirby. Oh, that's.
That was great.
It's awesome, isn't it? Okay, 1.732. You happy with that? Is that better? Kirby's happy? As long as Kirby's happy, we're all learning. We're going to live long lives because of it. All right. Next one has 15, 10, 75. Now, if I wrote AB or 15A, you know what that means, correct? 15A means 15 times A, correct?
Yeah.
This is exactly the same. This is 15, 10, 75. Okay, so it means 15 times 10, 75. Now, they've actually got in here, press 15, then press the times, then press the 10. You can do that. 15 times 10, what was it? 75, close my brackets, press equals, I get 55.98. 55.981. Sorry? You do not do the degree sign. You don't need to. Cool. The only time you use that is when you're doing minutes and seconds as well. Sorry? No. Let's give it a go. 15 times 10 of, what was it? 75 degrees, close bracket, equals. Same answer. Okay. Now, they've got 15 times 10. Let's try this. 15, 10. 75, close brackets. I haven't put times in. Equals 55.981. It's still the same thing. We don't write the times when we're writing it. You don't have to put it in. The calculator is smart enough nowadays to know that you mean times. Sure? So it's still going to give you the same answer. So that's 55.981 because the 7 rounded the 0 up to a 1. Cool? Okay. Next one. Next one says 8 over tan 69. What they've got written there is 8 divided by tan 69. Cool? Close the bracket. Gives you 3.071. Okay? Do you need to do it like that?
No.
Well, you've got nice advanced calculators. You can always press that button and make a fraction. And go 8 over tan 69 degrees, close my bracket, equals exactly the same answer. Okay? Yeah, she actually commented on the fact that one of the questions had a 69 in it.
She's like, oh, this question's for me.
That's going to be boring 2 lessons without later.
I'm not really all that bored yet. So, 3.071, you all happy with that?
Yep.
Okay, so you can do it as it's written. You can write 8 over tan 69. Our calculators are smart enough. Next one is tan 49 degrees, 32 minutes. Tan 49, and this is where you do need to press. You don't do point, because it is not point. Okay? It is 49 degrees, 32 minutes. Then close your bracket. Okay, it will still keep coming up with the degree symbol. Don't worry about that. It knows you mean degrees and minutes. Okay? And then the next time you do it, it would know it's seconds. But it just doesn't change the symbol. Okay? So tan 49 degrees, 32 minutes equals that, 1.172. 1.172. All good?
Yeah, because remember last session you didn't put the...
Yeah, you didn't do the degrees minutes symbol last time.
Remember we were walking out?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so you have to press the degrees minute symbol and then do it twice. You do it, you don't technically have to do it for the minutes, you could leave it, but it's better habit to get in the habit of doing degrees and minutes. Okay? Just so you know what you've done.